So we finished lunch at the vegan place and we walked over to Insadong.
그렇죠.
This
떡볶이 그
street
대신
here
위에다 놔달라는 거.
is full of souvenir shops, clothing shops, art and art gallery. So here's clothing. I don't know what I'm saying. Like I know what I'm talking about. Jewelry, hats. It's cold. That's all I know is I'm cold. But I thought, oh, it'd be a waste if I didn't film some of it. Yeah, so different kinds of souvenirs, traditional souvenirs. So they call it like Insadong as the historical. Is that food? It's not. It's like old toys. They call Insadong historical artsy district. So all these like toys from a long time ago. Remember? Tagoma something. Tamago. That's all the toys from like way back. Oh, look good. I can't remember this is like candy, and at the end it is like a hammer, but like it's a squeaky hammer. 老公看的什么？以前的 toys 来的这些。So cool. Very, very cool. Okay. The art. Look. These are restaurants down this way. 老公，你看。So they have the like historical buildings turned into restaurants. Okay, so here's like traditional bags with like paintings. Yeah, so colorful. Dressed up. Oh, look.
5도랑 5도.
Oh, look. Kettle. Oh, wait. Antique. Oh, that's right. This area is known for antiques. So we can check out the antiques here. Okay, I won't do too much because it's cold. But you can rent hanbok here and wear them. Oh, here's like a big mall. More like traditional wood carvings and pottery. There's chopsticks, cutting boards. I am going to end soon so that it can stay warm and jewelry and enjoy myself more. So if you're interested in antiques and cultural crafts, please come to Insadong. Okay. Oh, this one's really cool. It's like mechanics. That's what I can say. It's mechanics. Now, go closer to this one. Look. Wow. So it's run by a few different... forget what they're called. I used to know what it should be called. Perpetual motion somehow. No, it's like battery operated. Yes. Look. So cool. Kinetic art. So cool. Okay. Alright, that's it. Bye. Last one, but I just wanted to show this gigantic brushes. That's a really big brush. Okay, my hand is like barely anything compared to the size of this gigantic brush. Paint brushes. Okay, maybe this is the Hello. Okay, so after the coffee, did I show the coffee? Maybe I didn't. So after the coffee, we are here at in Insadong. 不是 Ikseondong. Insadong. After Insadong, we came to Ikseondong, which is very close by, and it's full of these traditional built houses that have been converted into like cafes, restaurants, clothing stores. So look at the traditional exterior, but with like modernization. And it's either like a restaurant or a clothing store or some kind of store or cafes actually. So yeah, this one sounds like sandwiches. Took me so long to figure out what they sell. And desserts. But if you look inside and look at the ceiling, look at that. That is like the traditional roof or interior. All this wood, and I think it's plaster. And look how narrow like the alleys are. So it's so pretty. And so this whole area has been converted like this. Okay, so look over here. Look at this one. All the wooden interior. Sliding doors, wood, original, restaurants. And on this side, there's like more brick and like black. Yeah, you call it like black windows. Smells really good. Somebody is cooking like pizza and pasta. I smell butter. I smell bakery. So they still have the Christmas decorations up. So pretty. Trusted by Korean. Oven cooked pizza. Oh, delicious.
Like, but they don't open.
So my friend is the one that found this area. Oh, look. Yummy, yummy food. Well, and the interior, like the atmosphere is like really nice with the light. And look at this. This is the exterior. Just to go into the restaurant. The prices aren't bad. This is actually a Thai restaurant. Wow. Unique, guys. So it's almost full moon tomorrow. So the moon is also really bright, but I'm not sure if I know you're different now. Like this. Look at that. Oh, okay. So I think this one is still somebody's home. Look at that. Wow. Oh. What is it? Oh, we're turning down. Oh, there's more. There's more. Oh. Wow, so pretty. Wow. Oranges and coffees. Look at this one. And even though it's not open, they painted it bright yellow. Who painted it? I wonder what this one is. It's got like branches, big flowers. It is it's a place to have desserts. Oh, it's a place for coffee and desserts. Strawberry. Look how pretty. Has a renovation. Wow, this one has a lot of zeros. Oh, it's an archery place. Huh, interesting. Or a gun place? Oh, it's like, I think it's like a BB gun place. Two something for $8. That's nice, right? Okay. So this is a restaurant. Okay. And then this one Look at this one. This is a clothing store. I think they really like to use fake flowers to decorate it, so it gives it a very whimsical feel. I love the doors, like how low it is, but how like you can see how thick it is. Look at that. That's really thick. Wow. Just love like how the door is hung here. Look at that. That is different. The way that we hang doors. It's different. Because it's so heavy. Just love the door. I wanted to show that. That's cool. Oh, look at that. It's still standing. I wonder how old it is. Like those thick beams, it's still keeping it structurally sound. Oh, look. I love how they transformed it like to like all open concept. So you could see from the street or from the alley. Ooh, it's a cafe. Very nice cafe. This one, I like this one. Clothing store. Everyone's like taking pictures. The ambiance is like so romantic. Can you hear the music? This is the entrance. Wow. So definitely come check this place out at night. The way that it's lit is so pretty. Wow, endless. Okay, so this one, see, they converted the entrances. This is the bakery. I smelled earlier. Oh, here's a line. Let's find out what it is. Sells clothing. Oh, rice. Oh, it's like traditional hot rice. Okay. Oh. Okay. Look at that. This restaurant's been on TV. A clothing store. This area is so brightly lit. Oh, there's more. How about this side? Okay, this might be the last of it. So this is Ikseondong. Please come check it out. Bye. So we're walking towards the station and we found one of these like coffee machines. These really old school ones. That only sells for 40 cents. Like a little cup of coffee. So I just put like $1 in here. I'm gonna try the hot chocolate. Let's see. Oh, it came out. Oh, you can hear it. I hope it's good. Wait. Okay, so I think it's done. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's hot and it's so cold, so it is so good to have. Okay, I'm gonna try it. You know, so I got the hot chocolate. It's good. It smells good already. It's good. I love it. Okay, that's it. Bye. Okay, so after the walk-in, we came here to have Sujebi is hand-pulled dough in pot. So I got the regular non-spicy flavor. Okay, so what hokkien say like meehunge? This is meehunge. And my friend got the spicy version. It looks really good. And they have little chilies in soy sauce. That's gonna go really well together. Kimchi in the pot. You need a can tell yourself. Like, I didn't even know. We didn't know what the pot was. We're sitting here the whole time. Okay, so they gave you this to ladle it in here first because this is too hot to eat out of the pot. So I'm going to do that right now. Ladling. Oh, I think it has like seafood. Okay, I'm gonna take the soup. I hope you guys can hear me later. There's so many people talking around us. All right, let's try this. Wow. So I used to really like this. Meehunge, we call it meehunge, and you can only make it at home. Usually, you can't really go to a restaurant and eat it. Here in Korea, they have sujebi, and you can eat it at restaurants. So let's try. It's just like homemade. Really, really good. Okay, let's try the soup. Let's try the soup. So they have seaweed in their soup. It's good. So let's try their kimchi. Kimchi is a big deal. We're gonna enjoy my meal. Oh, let me try the spicy one. Okay, so I'm gonna try the spicy one. Okay, so let's see. It's good. I recommend this place. It's got a cool casual space here. Please come check it out. So we're walking towards the station and we found one of these like coffee machines. These really old school ones that only sells for 40 cents. Like a little cup of coffee. So I just put like $1 in here. I'm gonna try the hot chocolate. Let's see. Oh, it came out. Oh, you can hear it. I hope it's good. Wait. Okay, so I think it's done. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's hot and it's so cold, so it is so good to have. Okay, I'm gonna try it. You know, so I got the hot chocolate. It's good. It smells good already. It's good. I love it. Okay, that's it. Bye.